3 over 4 all raised to power 2x plus 1 over 4 all raised to power 2x is equal to 1. Now, note that 3. Okay, let's find the value of x in this equation. Solution. We are given 9 raised to power x plus 1 raised to power x equals to 16 raised to power x. Then divide through by x. Divide through by 16 raised to power x so that we can eliminate x in right hand side. So we have 9 raised to power x divided by 16 raised to power x plus 1 raised to power x divided by 16 raised to power x equals to 16 raised to power x divided by 16 raised to power x. This can now cancel. 9 over 16 all raised to power x plus 1 over 16 all raised to power x is equals to 1. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do here, recall a raised to power m multiplied by n is same as a raised to power m times n is same as a raised to power n m or a raised to power mn. Okay, from here, 9 raised to power x is same as 3 raised to power 2 all in x. Applying this rule to now be 3 raised to power 2x. Good. Similarly, 16 raised to power x is same as 4 raised to power 2, which is equals to 4 raised to power 2x. So let's replace it here. We can have 3 raised to power 2x, 3 raised to power 2x over 4 raised to power 2x is equals to, remember 1 raised to power 2x is same as 1 raised to power x. Okay, since 1 raised to power 2 is same as 1 times 1, which is still 1. Okay, good. These two is just as a result of this rule here. So 1 raised to power 2x is similar to 1 raised to power x. So let's proceed. Now, 3 raised to power 2x divided by 4 raised to power 2x can also be written as 3 over 4 all raised to power 2x. Good. From the rule, from a over b, all raised to power m is same as a over m divided by b over m. Good. When you apply this rule here, you will get this. So we are going to express 1 all over 16 in this form also. Then 1 over 16, okay, all raised to power x can also be written as 1 over 4 all raised to power 2x. Good. So 1 over 16 can also be written 1 all over 4 all raised to power 2x. Now let's add 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 all raised to power 2x is equals to 1. So we now have 3 over 4 all raised to power 2x plus 1 over 4 all raised to power 2x is equal to 1. Now, note that 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 will give us LCM here is 4. Then this is 3 plus 1. We have 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. So we are going to replace this one here as 3 over 4. Okay? So we can now have 3 over 4 all raised to power 2x plus 1 over 4 all raised to the power 2x is equals to, instead of 1 here, we write 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Good. Now comparing coefficients. Comparing, you notice that this one and this are the same, whereas this one and this, they are the same. So we can now compare and equate 3 over 4 all raised to power 2x is equals to 3 over 4. Okay, so they have the same base. This is same as 3 over 4 all raised to power 1. Okay, so this can go, this can go. We have 2x is equals to 1. So that x will be equal to 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2 here. Okay. Similarly, let's equate the second term. We have 1 over 4 all raised to power 2x is equals to 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is same as 1 over 4 raised to power 1. So the base are the same. We are going to equate the powers. So let's equate the powers and still have 2x is equals to 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so that is the value of x in this equation. You can still check. Remember, we have 9 raised to power x plus 1 raised to power x equals to 16 raised to power x. So if x is 1 over 2, let's try and just stay here and check. So let's check. Given 9 raised to power x plus 1 raised to power x equals to 16 raised to power x. Add x equals 1 over 2. Okay? So at x equals 1 over 2, I will now have 9 raised to power 1 over 2 plus 1 raised to power 1 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay? 1 raised to power 1 over 2 will it give us 16 raised to power 1 over 2. Note, a raised to power 1 over 2 is equals to square root of a. Okay? So we are going to have root 9 plus root 1. Will it give us root 16? Let's proceed. Root 9 is 3 plus root 1 is still 1. Is it equal to root 16 is what? 4. Okay? Is it equals to 4? Yes. So this is our right hand side and this is our left hand side. So the value of x in this equation, x is equals to 1 over 2. Is very correct. Alright, so this is how you can solve this nice initial equation. 9 raised to power x plus 1 all over x equals to 16. Remember what I said, divide through by 16 raised to power x so that we can eliminate the power x, in right hand side. Okay, so apply some rules and indices, majorly the power rule and division rule, and you will find out that x is equals to 1 over 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly check our previous lessons on initial equation. See this. Alright. Thank you. Kindly subscribe and wait for next episode.